Let's break down prompt number 2, which is called altered travel. So it always asks, I can't remember where I went this morning. Help me remember what goes with what city when I get back from a trip. I haven't even unpacked for my vacation 2 years ago. How on earth will I find time to journal while everything is still fresh in my mind? There is no time like the present and no present like time, we say. Use your time on vacation to journal as part of your gift to yourself. Journal right in the travel guide you brought with you, and you will remember not only where you hiked and ate, but how you found those dream spots. You can rub your pages against the ground to grab the color of the earth, and dry flowers between the pages to bring the fields home with you. Use a highlighter to mark the key parts of the guide and comically revise the text as needed. Tote a glue stick and small scissors with you, and you can add mementos from restaurants, theaters, gardens, and train stations while you are there. Write your impressions in the margins of the travel guide. Add some fibers or ribbon if you like, and a perfect memory is completed. So what I would like for you guys to do, since we're obviously not traveling right at the present moment, I want you guys to focus on maybe a travel experience that you have had or one that you would like to have. So places, like if you haven't had a travel experience you love, like maybe I really want to go to California. There's a restaurant there I want to eat at. I want to see the ocean, all these different things. So kind of create your own travel guide inspired by the place either you want to go or the places you have been. So essentially, this journal is about travel. Take it for what it is. Make sure you're using multiple materials, textures, things like that. This should not just be a two-dimensional journal. You need to be adding all these things to kind of create more of a visual journal rather than a written one. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out and email me, but enjoy the Altered Travel Journal.